开始。
Hi everyone, it's time for product recommendation again. Today is mini chainsaw. This model, the displacement is 25 cc. The power is 1 kilowatt. Why do we call it a mini chainsaw? It's small and light, very easy to carry, suitable for home use. The fuel tank has been upgraded to a visual fuel tank. You can check the remaining oil at any time. The other side. The old model has only one screw. Now we changed 2 screws to make the guide bar more strong and safe. If you want to buy this one, contact me right now. Bye bye.